Question 1. The Banking Ombudsman scheme covers the following banks. Option A. Scheduled commercial banks. Option B. Regional rural banks. Option C. Cooperative banks. Option D. All these. Answer D. All these. Question 2. Total amount of transactions are accumulated and debited to the customer's account in. Option A. Debit card. Option B. Credit card. Option C. Charge card. Option D. Smart card. Answer C. Charge card. Question 3. As per Basel II recommendations, the subordinate term debt are restricted to. Option A. 25% of Tier I capital. Option B. 50% of Tier I capital. Option C. 25% of Tier II capital. Option D. 50% of Tier II capital. Answer B. 50% of Tier I capital. Question 4. In India, the drought in which one of the following years was categorized as severe? Option A. 1979. Option B. 1966. Option C. 1987. Option D. All these years. Answer C. 1987. Question 5. At which one of the following centers one of the software parks is located? Option A. Gandhinagar. Option B. Cochin. Option C. Kandla. Option D. None of these. Answer A. Gandhinagar. Question 6. Under PMRY scheme, which is not levied? Option A. Penal interest. Option B. Processing charges. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Answer C. Both A and B. Question 7. The service provided by HSBC which allows the customer to access their accounts from a PC installed at his office or at their home is called. Option A. Corporate banking. Option B. Hexagon. Option C. Personal banking. Option D. Both A and C. Answer B. Hexagon. Question 8. Communication software which allows free format messaging and file transfer on banknet infrastructure is. Option A. NICnet. Option B. Banknet. Option C. RBInet. Option D. Indonet. Answer C. RBInet. Question 9. Which one comes under terrestrial cables? Option A. Copper wire pair. Option B. Coaxial pair. Option C. Optical fiber. Option D. All of them. Answer D. All of them. Question 10. How many types of diversification are generally observed? Option A. 2. Option B. 3. Option C. 4. Option D. 5. Answer B. 3. Question 11. There are stages of branding in banking services. Option A. 2. Option B. 3. Option C. 4. Option D. 5. Answer C. 4. Question 12. The customer has the option to pay the entire amount once in a month or pay in installments in. Option A. Debit card. Option B. Credit card. Option C. Charge card. Option D. Smart card. Answer B. Credit card. Question 13. SGYS scheme came into operation from? Option A. January 3, 1998. Option B. January 4, 1998. Option C. January 3, 1999. Option D. 01.04.1999. Answer D. 01.04.1999. Question 14. Cash budget deals with? Option A. Cash transactions. Option B. Non-cash transactions. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Answer A. Cash transactions. Question 15. Who are eligible for subsidy under SHG? Option A. All the members. Option B. Only BPL members. Option C. Only APL members. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Only BPL members. Question 16. As per Indian Stamp Act, which one attracts stamp duty? Option A. DPN. Option B. Agreements. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. Neither and not B. Answer C. Both A and B. Question 17. Banking defines the acceptance of deposits should be for the purpose of? Option A. Lending. Option B. Investments. Option C. Lending and investments. Option D. None of these. Answer C. Lending and investments. Question 18. Which one is not a component of ATM? Option A. Keypad. Option B. Cash dispenser. Option C. Deposit slot. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 19. An audiocassette manufacturer introduces computer tape manufacture is an example of? Option A. Concentric diversification. Option B. Horizontal diversification. Option C. Conglomerate diversification. Option D. None of the above. Answer A. Concentric diversification. Question 20. Using a new brand name for a new product, either when entering a new product category or when it is felt that the existing brand power is waning, is called as? Option A. Line extension. Option B. Brand extension. Option C. Multi-brands. Option D. New brands. Answer D. New brands. Question 21. PIN in smart card is called? Option A. Permanent index number. Option B. Personal identification number. Option C. Personal index number. Option D. Permanent identification number. Answer B. Personal identification number. Question 22. The usage of word ATM in the banks denotes? Option A. Automatic teller machine. Option B. Automated teller machine. Option C. Accounts transacting machine. Option D. Automated tallying machine. Answer B. Automated teller machine. Question 23. Integrative growth is defined as? Option A. Identify opportunities for further growth within the existing businesses. Option B. Identify opportunities to build or acquire businesses related to the existing businesses. Option C. Identify opportunities to add attractive businesses, unrelated to the existing businesses. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Identify opportunities to build or acquire businesses related to the existing businesses. Question 24. Which one ensures high speed with laser beam light source? Option A. Copper wire pair. Option B. Coaxial pair. Option C. Optical fiber. Option D. All of them. Answer D. All of them. Question 25. In the maturity stage of its life cycle, the sales of a product. Option A. Increases. Option B. Declines. Option C. Stands still. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Declines. Question 26. An audiocassette manufacturer starts manufacturing cassette holding trays is an example of. Option A. Concentric diversification. Option B. Horizontal diversification. Option C. Conglomerate diversification. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Horizontal diversification. Question 27. Which of the following statements is correct regarding banking ombudsman scheme? Option A. It is an opportunity to public to redress their grievances of banking services. Option B. It is an additional grievances settlement mechanism. Option C. It is not substitution of consumer protection and. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 12. Objectives of the banking ombudsman scheme are. Option A. To promote settlement through conciliation. Option B. Prompt settlement of customer grievances. Option C. Inexpensive settlement of grievances. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 29. Who can make the complaint to Ombudsman? Option A. The customer himself. Option B. The authorized representative of customer. Option C. A. Or B. Above. Option D. All the above. Answer C. A. Or B. Above. Question 30. Which of the following is not true in respect of married woman? Option A. Married woman may extend guarantee on behalf of third parties. Option B. Married woman cannot be arrested or imprisoned for non-payment of judgment debt. Option C. A married woman dependent on husband cannot be adjudged as insolvent. Option D. Personal assets of a married woman are not liable for any loan availed by her. Answer D. Personal assets of a married woman are not liable for any loan availed by her. Question 31. Which of the following is the first step in the transaction processing cycle, which captures business data through various modes such as optical scanning or at an electronic commerce website? Option A. Document and report generation. Option B. Database maintenance. Option C. Transaction processing. Option D. Data entry. Answer A. Document and report generation. Question 32. Find the correct statement. Option A. Marketing is redundant in monopolistic companies. Option B. The performance of a salesperson depends on the amount of incentives paid. Option C. Marketing is influenced by peer performance. Option D. A mission statement is part of the company's prospectus. Answer D. A mission statement is part of the company's prospectus. Question 33. The target group of the SME loans is. Option A. All businessmen. Option B. All professionals. Option C. All SSIs. Option D. All of the above. Answer C. All SSIs. Question 34. Home loans can be best canvassed among. Option A. Builders. Option B. Flat owners. Option C. Land developers. Option D. Individual wanting to buy a flat or house. Answer D. Individual wanting to buy a flat or house. Question 35. How much additional exposure is permitted in exceptional circumstances with the permission of the Board of Directors of the bank in case of exposure to single borrower or group? Option A. 5%, 5%. Option B. 10%, 10%. Option C. 5%, 10%. Option D. No additional exposure without RBI approval. Answer A. 5%, 5%. Question 36. Up to how much amount loan can be sanctioned by appropriate authority within powers delegated to him to any relative of their own director or directors of other banks or relative of director of other bank? Option A. Up to 25 rupees lakh. Option B. 25 rupees lakh and above. Option C. Less than 25 rupees lakh. Option D. None of these, as loan to relatives of banks' directors cannot be granted without RBI permission. Answer C. Less than 25 rupees lakh. Question 37. The small companies/organizations that have been created exclusively to deal in government securities are called. Option A. NBFCs. Option B. Mutual funds. Option C. Primary dealers. Option D. Asset management companies. Answer C. Primary dealers. Question 38. As a cover for bank note issue, RBI keeps some minimum value of total approved assets in the form of. Option A. Cash and bank balances. Option B. Cash, gold coins and bank balances. Option C. Gold coins, bullion and foreign securities. Option D. All the above. Answer C. Gold coins, bullion and foreign securities. Question 39. For controlling inflationary or deflationary situations in India, RBI makes use of, which one is excluded? Option A. Cash reserve ratio. Option B. Statutory liquidity ratio. Option C. Open market operations. Option D. Liquidity adjustment facility. Answer D. Liquidity adjustment facility. Question 40. A check drawn by a power of attorney holder is presented for payment. You come to know through reliable source that PA holder has died. Which of the following action you will take? Option A. Return the check as agency is terminated. Option B. Pay the check as principal is alive. Option C. Pay the check after obtaining principal's confirmation. Option D. None of these. Answer B. Pay the check as principal is alive. Question 41. In which of the following product life cycle stages, sales are zero and the company's investment costs mount? Option A. Product development. Option B. Introduction. Option C. Growth. Option D. Maturity. Answer A. Product development. Question 42. One of the objective of style improvement is. Option A. Product's versatility. Option B. Aesthetic appeal. Option C. Durability. Option D. Convenience. Answer B. Aesthetic appeal. Question 43. The Central Banking Authority, i.e. RBI in India, is performing two distinct roles in context of money market that include. Option A. Monetary control and banking supervision. Option B. Issue of currency and maintenance of CRR. Option C. Handling government business and maintaining price stability. Option D. Banking supervision and financial stability. Answer A. Monetary control and banking supervision. Question 44. Introducing additional brands in an existing product category is called as. Option A. Line extension. Option B. Brand extension. Option C. Multi-brands. Option D. New brands. Answer C. Multi-brands. Question 45. Which one is not a part of marketing mix, 4PS? Option A. Price. Option B. People. Option C. Product. Option D. Place. Answer B. People. Question 46. BankNet doesn't link. Option A. Nagpur. Option B. Bangalore. Option C. Hyderabad. Option D. Ahmedabad. Answer D. Ahmedabad. Question 47. Banks access BankNet with. Option A. RBInet. Option B. INET. Option C. Comet. Option D. Indone. Answer C. Comet. Question 48. The message transfer utility of Comet enables users to log in at a time at each node. Option A. 200. Option B. 2000. Option C. 400. Option D. 4000. Answer C. 400. Question 49. MICR technology used for clearance of checks by banks refers to. Option A. Magnetic ink character recognition. Option B. Magnetic intelligence character recognition. Option C. Magnetic information cable recognition. Option D. Magnetic insurance cases recognition. Answer A. Magnetic ink character recognition. Question 50. The regulator for mutual funds in India is. Option A. FIMDA. Option B. AMFI. Option C. RBI. Option D. SEBI. Answer D. SEBI. Question 51. Individual customers are covered by. Of CIBIL. Option A. Personal Credit Bureau. Option B. Consumer Credit Bureau. Option C. Retail Credit Bureau. Option D. Commercial Credit Bureau. Answer B. Consumer Credit Bureau. Question 52. A company which pools money from investors and invests in stocks, bonds, shares is called. Option A. A bank. Option B. An insurance company. Option C. Bank assurance. Option D. Mutual fund. Answer D. Mutual fund. Question 53. Which is not a type of P/A generally granted? Option A. General. Option B. Limited. Option C. Universal. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 54. Buy now, pay now is commonly used for. Option A. Debit cards. Option B. Vault cards. Option C. Credit cards. Option D. E-purse. Answer A. Debit cards. Question 55. Cash budget is a payment of. Option A. Cash receipts. Option B. Cash payments. Option C. Either A or B. Option D. Both A and B. Answer D. Both A and B. Question 56, Open Systems Interconnection, OSI, model consists of Option A 5 layers. Option B 6 layers. Option C 7 layers. Option D 8 layers. Answer C 7 layers. Question 57, Loan delivery system is applicable in case of borrowers enjoying Option A working capital credit limits of 10 rupees crore and above from the banking system. Option B working capital credit limits of 10 rupees crore and above from a bank. Option C fund-based limits of 10 rupees crore and above from the banking system. Option D fund-based limits of 10 rupees crore and above from a bank. Answer A working capital credit limits of 10 rupees crore and above from the banking system. Question 58, the monetary and credit policy statement of RBI is called Option A annual policy statement. Option B credit policy of RBI. Option C economic policy. Option D none of these. Answer A annual policy statement. Question 59, which of the following cannot be included in the definition of a financial intermediary? Option A banks and non-bank finance companies. Option B financial institutions. Option C mutual funds. Option D companies engaged in manufacturing of good. Answer D companies engaged in manufacturing of good. Question 60, which of the following cannot be included in the money market? Option A call or notice money. Option B corporate securities. Option C certificate of deposit. Option D treasury bills. Answer B corporate securities. Question 61, which of the following is part of the money market? Option A bonds issued by the government. Option B bonds issued by public sector undertakings. Option C term money. Option D debentures. Answer C term money. Question 62, monetary control is exercised by RBI in India through Option A payment system. Option B issue of currency. Option C cash reserves and liquid reserve ratios. Option D repo rate and reserve repo rate. Answer C cash reserves and liquid reserve ratios. Question 63, supervision over the depositories and stock exchanges is the role of Option A RBI. Option B IRDA. Option C SEBI. Option D FERDA. Answer C SEBI. Question 64, which of the following does not match? Option A regulator of insurance market IRDA. Option B regulator of capital market SEBI. Option C regulator of money market RBI. Option D regulator of forex market SEBI. Answer D regulator of forex market SEBI. Question 65, which of the following function is not carried by IRDA in India? Option A regulator of insurance companies. Option B regulator of insurance products. Option C regulation over the funds managing pension. Option D supervision of the general insurance market. Answer C regulation over the funds managing pension. Question 66, which of the following have been created to provide long-term funds for industry or agriculture? Option A mutual funds. Option B financial institutions. Option C asset management companies. Option D. Non-bank finance companies. Answer. B. Financial institutions. Question 67, which of the following function is not carried out by RBI? Option A. Bank of government. Option B. Raising deposits from public. Option C. Lender of last resort to banks. Option D. Management of government debt. Answer B. Raising deposits from public. Question 68, which of the following is an important reason for regulation of banking system? Option A. To promote confidence of public in banking system. Option B. To protect interest of the investors. Option C. To ensure that the financial markets are efficient and transparent. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 69, which of the following is not covered under selective credit control, at present? Option A. Sugar. Option B. Buffer stocks of sugar. Option C. Unreleased stocks of sugar with sugar mills representing free levy sugar. Option D. None of above. Answer A. Sugar. Question 70, against which type of following security, the banks can sanction loans? Option A. Commercial paper. Option B. Certificate of deposit. Option C. FDR issued by other bank. Option D. None of above. Answer D. None of above. Question 71, the rate at which RBI purchases or rediscounts bill of exchange or other eligible commercial instrument from banks is called? Option A. Repo rate. Option B. Reverse repo rate. Option C. MSF rate. Option D. Bank rate. Answer D. Bank rate. Question 72, which of the following is no more used by RBI as a tool for regulation? Option A. Credit rationing or credit allocation. Option B. Credit authorization scheme. Option C. Inventory and receivables norms. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 73, cooperative banks can lend to the extent of % on any day in the call/notice money market. Option A1. Option B2. Option C3. Option D. No limit. Answer D. No limit. Question 74, an award of banking ombudsman is? Option A. A judicial decision. Option B. An arbitrarily order. Option C. An order on the bank. Option D. An appeal to the bank. Answer A. A judicial decision. Question 75, the minimum tenor of issue of ICDs can be? Days. Option A1. Option B7. Option C14. Option D30. Answer A1. Question 76, which of the following are the norms of awarding compensation by the banking ombudsman? Option A. Banking ombudsman does not have unlimited powers to allow compensation. Option B. The maximum limit of compensation is 10 rupees lakh. Option C. No compensation will be awarded in excess of that which is necessary. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 77. Interest rate futures were launched with a minimum value of Rs. Log/S. Option A1. Option B2. Option C3. Option D4. Answer B2. Question 78, The Banking Ombudsman Scheme 1995 was amended in Option A 2000, Option B 2001, Option C 2002, Option D 2004. Answer C 2002. Question 79. XPI has been set up on the recommendations of Committee. Option A Janki Raman, Option B Narsinghan, Option C Tarapur, Option D Rangarajan. Answer C Tarapur. Question 80. Interbank term money means borrowings among banks for Option A 1 day, Option B 2 to 14 days, Option C more than 14 days, Option D none of these. Answer C more than 14 days. Question 81. Under forfeiting, the exporter is able to transfer risk. Option A credit, Option B political, Option C interest rate, Option D all the above. Answer D all the above. Question 82. The combination of two or companies into a single company where one survives with its name or a combined new name, and others lose their corporate existence is known as Option A merger, Option B diversification, Option C combination, Option D amalgamation. Answer B diversification. Question 83. A formal and mutually agreed commercial collaboration between companies is known as Option A merger, Option B amalgamation, Option C strategic alliance, Option D subsidiary. Answer B amalgamation. Question 84. Mandate given by the illiterate account holder should be Option A attested by manager who confirms and certifies the same, Option B attested by notary public or magistrate, Option C it is enough if we ask for a mandate letter with LTI which has to be attested and authorized official, Option D we cannot accept a mandate from an illiterate customer at all. Answer B attested by notary public or magistrate. Question 85. National Clearing Cell of the RBI is located in Option A Mumbai, Option B New Delhi, Option C Calcutta, Option D Chennai. Answer A Mumbai. Question 86. Data related to crime does not incorporate Option A data diddling, Option B data spying, Option C data leakage, Option D data mining. Answer D data mining. Question 87. The management level responsible for making long-range strategic decisions about which products and services to produce is the Option A technology level, Option B application level, Option C operational level, Option D top level. Answer D top level. Question 88. Chip system is set up in Option A USA, Option B UK, Option C Hong Kong, Option D Brazil. Answer A USA. Question 89. Which of the following is not a function of RBI? Option A managing government debt, Option B bankers to government, Option C raising deposit from public, Option D. Lender of last resort to banks. Answer. C. Raising deposit from public. Question 90. Which is the main fund transfer system in the USA? Option A. Bank wire. Option B. Fed wire. Option C. POS. Option D. None of these. Answer B. Fed wire. Question 91. A joint account is operated by A and B as both or survivor. A dies and a check signed by A and B are presented for payment. The check. Option A can be paid. Option B can be paid after getting confirmation from B. Option C can be paid after getting the consent of the legal heirs of A. Option D. None of the above. Answer B can be paid after getting confirmation from B. Question 92. Export credit target for domestic commercial banks is of A and B. C. Option A. 0.10%. Option B. 12%. Option C. 20%. Option D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. Question 93. Export credit target for foreign banks is of A and B. C. Option A. 0.10%. Option B. 12%. Option C. 20%. Option D. None of these. Answer B. 12%. Question 94. HNI stands for Option A. Hindustan National Investment. Option B. High National Investment. Option C. High Net Worth Individual. Option D. None of the above. Answer C. High Net Worth Individual. Question 95. Which of the following is the internal factor influencing pricing? Option A. Price elasticity of the demand of the product. Option B. Competitors' policy. Option C. Bargaining power of suppliers. Option D. Social considerations. Answer A. Price elasticity of the demand of the product. Question 96. Markup pricing comes under which of the pricing method? Option A. Value-based pricing. Option B. Cost-based pricing. Option C. Competition-based pricing. Option D. Going rate pricing. Answer B. Cost-based pricing. Question 97. A charge created on the assets of the company is required to be registered with ROC within how many days? Option A. 30 days from the date of sanction. Option B. 60 days from the date of sanction. Option C. 30 days from the date of creation of charge. Option D. 60 days from the date of creation of charge. Answer C. 30 days from the date of creation of charge. Question 98. Which one of the following doesn't come under the functions of RBI in India? Option A. Regulating the money market. Option B. Supervision over NBFCs. Option C. Supervision over FIIs. Option D. Management of payment system. Answer C. Supervision over FIIs. Question 99. Public relation means building good relations with. Option A. Consumers. Option B. Suppliers. Option C. Shareholders. Option D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Question 100. There are stages in the buyer's readiness level. Option A3. Option B4. Option C5. Option D6. Answer D6.